Alrighty guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Welcome to another live stream. In today's video, we are going to be talking about swing trading. We're going to be talking about the easiest swing trading strategy that I've used over the past 7 years, but more importantly, what I've used on vacation. For those of you that know and follow the channel, you know normally I don't film like this. We took a week vacation, my wife and I. We are here in Florida. We have a wedding to go to in a week, so I'm trading stocks while I'm doing it. So we're going to be talking about the strategy, the approach, the mindset. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, smash that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's awesome. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We teach you how to find stocks. We teach you strategies, my approach, everything. And you guys can use code SUMMER to get like 80% off. You only pay the sign-up cost, so I don't make any money off it. Use code SUMMER. I'll see you guys in there. But let's jump into this here. So the stock here that we traded was ticker symbol SO. Now, before I ever place a trade or, get in a position, you never just look at one thing. This is what a lot of people don't realize is there's a lot of before work that goes into trading than you probably think. A lot of people think you sit on a beach and you drink margaritas all day and you just trade stocks and they magically go up, when that is not the case. That couldn't be further from the truth. So with SO here, I always start and I look at the daily time frame. So each of these candlesticks represent 1 day of trading. So for me, what I really want to see here is a good trend. So trends are your friend. And you guys can see that we've seen some really nice trend lines out of this stock where it hits this red straight line and we get a lot of buying pressure off it, right? It hits it once, twice, 3 times. So I want to make sure there's a minimum of 3 times that establishes something called support, where we get natural tendencies of buying pressure. So now here, you could go, well, Carter, let's just buy the stock on that red line and it will always go up. Well, no, that's not necessarily the case. You also want to look at certain moving average lines. Like the moving average lines I love are the 200, which is the red, the 90, which is the blue, and then the 50. Now, in the past, we've seen good amount of buying pressure off them as well. So hits it, we have buying pressure. You guys can see a little bit in here, buying pressure. Down here, we got a good move of buying pressure. So, moving average lines just help us give trend indication and just generic support and resistance. Also, another indicator I use for this daily time frame is going to be the RSI. At the time, the RSI was trading near and about a 30 on the RSI, which last time that it was trading there was back in this range. And what happened? Good buying pressure. So you always want to look at several different things. So for me, good upward trend, 2 is support line. After that is going to be actually an earnings report. I always want to make sure I'm never holding through an earnings, just because an earnings is just very risky for the stock. And you guys can see they just released earnings. And really, we didn't even get a huge sell-off from that earnings. It was a couple days later. So, that's all good as well. So after that, some of you would go, well, just place the trade. Well, no. The last thing you want to do is enter and try to buy this stock down here and just see it continue to sell off. So you want to go to like an hourly time frame. And so for me, we saw that the hourly was actually really, really nice because it had this really good trend here. You can see where it hit this trend, and pretty much each and every time it hit there, we just had a lot of selling pressure, right? So it hit it, sell off, hit it here, sell off, sell off. So what we did is we set an alert above this trend. So once it popped up, we would get notified and we could see if the trade would happen. So now it popped up here. This was our entry price near and around this 85 area, mid 85 area. So my thought process was this, to be honest with you, was to enter here at near and around the 85 mark. Okay. Keep our stop, or to set our target. If I can draw this out. I'm not used to drawing on here. To set our target up here, which is about a 7% return for a possible, that's our target. And our risk would be to keep it below that trend. So risking about 2% to make 7%, which is about a 3.5 risk and reward, which is awesome. So risking $1, right, to make about $3 there. So now here, as this trend continues and goes up, we're just keeping our stop loss up and up and up. So if it dips down below this trend, we'll just cover profit and move on to other opportunity. And that's exactly what you want to do. So we're doing a trailing stop loss. We understand our target. We have all this all planned out, right? And so this is what being a trader is all about. So, this is a simple strategy you guys can do to start making money consistently in the stock market. So check out our school, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and we'll see you guys in the next one, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.